Hi guys, VST here with VST Tech, and today I want to talk about something a little bit more different from the usual apps that I review for Android or iOS, whatever. This time it's called Generative Music, guys, or music from the future. So you might see here I'm sharing a Wired article on the screen. I was trying to scrape the internet for finding like top 5 free Android apps that I wanted to present to you guys, but since I didn't really find anything from the newly released apps that didn't make any sense, beyond the clickbait and the really stupid apps, I stumbled upon these 2 apps I want to present to you guys. But first, some words about the generative music. So as you can see on the screen, 60-70 years ago, the experimental composer John Cage, he began to explore what would happen if some parts of a music composition were really left to chance. When people have to compose music, they have to, think it, put it on a paper, like writing on a note sheet. Then this music usually goes to some studio musicians that sit down in the studio, play together, mix it. So you know how the story and you know how the whole drill works. But what about if we leave this to chance? And John Cage actually wanted to have, which means that pretty much we leave this to some synthesis and do some generation, right? Now, 70 years ago, we didn't have artificial intelligence, or it was very, very limited. And when you check about the generative music Wikipedia page, right, so let's try to do this here, then you're gonna see that generative music is actually a term that is popularized by Brian Eno. He said that's music that should ever be different and changing, and very important, guys, created by a system, right? So we have the statement here, but with the statement we also have the problem, because 50-70 years ago we didn't have a perfect system that would able to do so, right? And I can tell you, guys, this system is called artificial intelligence, and that is why I think this is very, very important, all right? Now this guy, apparently he worked very hard to try creating this, right? To create a whole genre called generative music. This means that we have music where composer is kind of removed from the process. So actually it's nobody really writing the music, right? So it's something that is generating it, artificially created, ever-changing music. And here again, also as we can see in the Wired article, the generative music has flourished in the digital age, and I think that's true, right? Today's composers, they use algorithms to create streams of original sounds, unleashing their laptops to riff continuously like improvisation or jazz musicians. Pretty much everything is about, synthesis and sampling and all of that. So I would say that this is pretty much used, probably since 2 decades already. But now with these apps, guys, that I want to present to you, things are really changing, because, for example, I'm going to talk about the first app here, which is called Mubert. And actually, Mubert is based on a complex of music and math algorithm and deliver an unlimited number of real-time generated, never-ending music streams in any genre mood, guys. And actually, the whole time the music was playing on the phone is from this app. So you need really to check it out, guys. And I'm going to do this with you today. Opening my phone, opening the Mubert app. And as you can see here, guys, right? This is pretty much now, it's a house music playing, generated, using a huge database of human-made sounds. So this application is creating a non-stop customizable music, that you can really stream, save, share. And I think they're trying also to solve problems, with copywriting and licensing. But just let's focus on the app, all right? So we need to understand, nobody recorded this. It's absolutely generated in, I think, real time. So this is the house style, right? Look at the techno style. Impressive. You have also very nice visualization with that thing to go. Check chill out. Incredible, right? That's absolutely genius. Alright. So the Mubert app is using special algorithms to create this unique music. And actually the number of genres and customization, they can be really infinite, right? And then can be also expanded, and then they really depend on, what the customer needs. What is very nice to see that those guys, from the website, they are, you can go there and you can obtain an unrestrained streaming license via API. So you can purchase a streaming license depending on the number of end users. And I know this solves a big problem, because, artificial intelligent created music like this, as people actually, the Mubert claim on their site, it can also fix the pain point of the music industry, right? Because this one is endless, it's absolutely diverse, it's customizable, it's cost efficient, and 100% compatibility with any online or offline platform. So what I'm talking about is like if you go to a coffee shop and they are playing music from the radio, usually the coffee shops or like the restaurants, they need to pay license fees. Right now with computer generated music, I mean, you see where I'm going with this one. Of course, yeah, it's not really like a traditional pop music where you can hear vocals and etc. But just let's see also the other genres right now. Hip hop, crazy. It does sound really like hip hop should sound, right? Nice visuals to go with that one. Here we have also ambient, one of my favorites. Just check it out. Brian Eno, but generated from mathematical equations and software. How crazy is that, right? That's really nice. Closing that one, and the other app I want to share it with you guys is Endel, and Endel is pretty much, you know, very close to what Mubert is. So it is a cross-platform audio ecosystem because it creates personalized, sound-based, adaptive environments that help people focus, relax, and study and do whatever you want, guys. All right. So what is here very unique is that once you're setting up this tool, it's going to ask you if the tool or the application is allowed to just see when your phone is moving, even use your health data, and etc. So, you know, it just kind of takes this information from the surrounding to be able to generate these sounds. Now, this one I think is the one for focus. See, I'm just choosing now relaxed, ever-changing music, right? Let's see right now, this one here is for on the go. Okay. Let's go, this one is for sleep. It's gonna become very, very calm. Okay, and this one is for Christmas. They even have a Christmas theme, guys. Incredible. All right. Yeah, for me, the generative music really is important because traditional music is pretty much okay. Yeah, I'm a big fan of it, and I do also produce. But it's been around since thousands of years, right? So this really can be the future of the music industry. I'm not saying that it's gonna overtake and kill the traditional music, but it can be a very important branch of it, right? So I'm going to put down the links below into the video description of the Mubert app and also for Endel, guys. I hope you do like those applications, and I hope that yeah, this is an informative video for you. If you like this video and you want to have like more videos like this, hit the like button, put some comments in the comment section down below. I'm happy to do more videos about like interesting topics like this generative music it is. And I hope we had a good time. So VST over.